Hey guys, we are in here for another video. This is today's haul from the Slide Car Show. Picked up the Winged Warrior set. I wanted as you can see, these straights that are painted. So I needed some more of those. And I did want the petty car. So I got both of those. Killed two birds with one shot. And this also has the new controller. Power supply. I wish they get rid of these controllers, man. I'm just not a fan of that's the plunger style controller. Got a Batman body. Let me take it out the plastic so you can get a better look at it. Got Batman body. DHL. Which I love the way this car looks. I have an Audi body, AFX, that's painted like this. Matching set. I was caught slipping these today, guys. I saw the yellow Datsun. I meant to pick it up. I was like, I'll come back later and get it. And it was gone. So I only got this one. This was a free throw-in. Let me turn it around. Pro Tinker Toys. That's where the set came from. Pro Tinker Toys. So go check them out. Also, found a 9-inch straight. These were, it was $10. They had 12 on it, but they gave it to me for 10. So can't complain. So I have a squeeze track. I just wanted a plain one initially. Just a regular one. But when I saw it, I was like, yeah, add a little danger to the set. And this is going to go here. Because what I was going to do, I was going to replace this with another 6-inch and then a 3-inch AFX and the 3-inch adapter track. And I was thinking 6 plus 3 is 9. So I can eliminate a connection or a break point in the electrical circuit and just put a 9-inch there. So that's going to go there. And actually, let's see. Yeah, I have two 9-inches here, which I can replace that with a 15 and a 3. So that'll be that. And let's crack everything open so we can get a close-up. Alright, so we're back, guys, and my question was answered because I wanted to know, did they put the Roadrunner taillights on the petty car? And they did. And this one retains the charger lights. So that's a good thing. That was a concern I had. I was wondering if they did that. So they did it. That's cool. So these are the cars. It has the 4-wheel drive look. It is what it is. We'll see how they run. I don't know. Maybe today. We'll see. I'm going to swap out some track, see what happens. So that's what the Datsun looks like outside the box. He's on the streets. It looks like the streets of Tokyo. Actually, it's Los Diablos. Yeah, it's a good looking car, man. Jesus Christ. They're sold out. Look at this. Man, I'll tell you, all the world, they're doing it big with these graphics on these things. All right, so this is where we're at with the construction at Los Diablos. And as you see, I took the pieces out of the set that I bought today and incorporated the straights in there. So like I said, I was going to put a 3-inch adapter track there. It's the 15-inch straight. the 12-inch curve that I painted. It's 2 more 15-inch straights. There's 6 curve 12-inch curves here. 1 9-inch, another 6-inch that I just painted, and there's a 9-inch under there. What is that? A quarter 9-inch. Swap that out there. It's the squeeze track that I bought today. Just painted that up. So now I have to paint these 2 Tyco pieces, or 3. I'm gonna try to make a mask out of the lifelike track and imitate that and paint this piece here. A 3-inch is going here, adapter track. It's going here. And I guess I'll replace that with a 9-inch. The other 9-inch squeeze track that I had, I'm going to put that there. And this is going to be replaced with the Tokyo Midnight set, except for here, I have to paint another 6-inch curve. And replace this with a 3-inch. What's under here? Yeah, it's a 15-inch. So it's 2 9-inch curves down here. A 15-inch. Another 9. I have to replace this adapter track with a 3-inch AFX or Auto World. I think all the ones I have are all AFX. And that'll be that. And let me get this alcoholic beverage out the way. These are not going to get swapped out because I'm going to extend the table because there's nowhere for the train to loop. There's not enough space, so I'm going to add like another 3 feet. And I'm going to use the 18-inch curves from the. Let me go back over here. Well, both of these sets have these are the Hendrix set and this one. The new one I just got from Pro Tinker Toys, as you guys saw. Forgot the name of it. That also has 18-inch curves. I have a bunch of 18-inch curves. And you can see where I got the idea for to paint the turns or the curves. It's from the Midnight set. I like the way it looked. The thing I don't like about that set is the straights were all black. I don't know why they didn't use track that has the road markings on them. So to me, it looks a lot better. It wakes it up. So next, let's run a couple cars and then I'm going to wrap it up. All right, guys, I'm going to run these cars today. The 2 new set cars. Challenger with the Jag chassis, and which is from the Vanishing Point movie, and Dirty Mary, Crazy Larry. I was gonna run the Datsun, but I knocked the spring out from under the pickup shoe, so I'm gonna have to save that for another day. Let's check the King out. Matter of fact, let me swap the tires out. Take the stock slip and slides out. And put the silicone tires on here. Wish they could paint the silicone tires with the white lettering. Sure, there's a way, it just takes some innovation or the will to innovate to do it. One runs pretty good. try this guy out. So the king is good. I'm gonna leave the stock slip and slides on this one. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's straight out the box. I like this one. This one runs real good. Even with the stock slip and slides on there, running pretty good. Check out Dirty Larry. Crazy Larry. This guy needs a little bit more power. Yeah, it's something I have to make an adjustment for this because I think these AFX track, the banking might be a little higher, so lifted it up. So it's at the point where it's higher than the banking, the rail, which I definitely don't like that. So I'm gonna have to make an adjustment or just remove the bank entirely. We'll see. A little bit of tinkering. Let's check out vanishing point. That's pretty good. Yeah, see? It's still, at least it crashed over here where it got stuck under the, between the railing and the track. So I used my old viewpoint, camera angle I should say, because I don't have my run cam with me, so I usually put that over here because I like the angle from this direction better. But it is what it is. I gotta work with what I have. So this is with the Jag chassis. This came with the extraction. I swapped it out with the Jag chassis. That one's pretty good. Throw an extra one on here. Let's get the Tyco with the Bulldog chassis. Let's check her out. That's one of these things where I guess the pen is a little thicker. I can see where the track. There's a little uneven here. Maybe I can swap it out with another piece. Yeah, it doesn't like that piece of track there. I'll swap the guide pin out for G Plus. I know they're a little thinner, so they may not disturb as much. So I'm guessing it's the same. Yeah, I've run into that before. It's a Jag chassis. The Bulldog runs pretty good. I'm going to swap them all out, get them G Plus guide pins. Yeah, see the hit over there. Probably the longer pens don't like the rail crossing. I gotta swap this guy out. Pretty good. So, that's all I want to run today. Had a long day at the show. Got the set, which I need. I was going to buy one anyway, but since I saw it at the show, I was like, what the heck, I'll get that and just go ahead and swap these pieces out. And like I said, eventually, most of this section is going to be gone after the rail crossing. And I have to fasten this track down because it moves too much. I glued this down so that part doesn't move. So that's solid. Now I have to work on this section here. So like I said, I'm trying to, where is it? It's up there. I want the whole inside to be riding on this, so I have to get in contact with, I'm going to go to the shop and see if they can order the radiuses that I need, because I mixed the radiuses, because 2 of these are 18-inch curves and the rest are 24. The 18-inch made it fit perfectly. So I want to see if I can get the bridge. Because looking at it online, I can't tell what they're talking about. So I'd rather talk to a person and order exactly what I want. So I'm going to have these all the way on the inside. They have trussels, so I'm going to give these away to the little man. He has a Bachman set, so that'll work out for him. That's it, guys. So it's a long day. Good day. Found some stuff that I like. So, and got my decorated track up and running. So, we'll wrap it up, guys. If you haven't already, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you fellas in the next video.